So just want to review kind of what happened on today's trades on the 7th of August, just to keep my mind fresh. So we noticed like yesterday, if I had to take off some of the pictures, that basically we were approaching that kind of 100 SMA here. We started relatively well, but a gap up when I think I'm completely bearish. Well, not completely, but I am bearish basically. So I had some long positions from yesterday. So I think around this point here, I think I either entered, maybe check the timings on those, or was it the bounce off the VWAP? So that's 11:30. So we'll touch base with that in a second. But yeah, I just knew that I was really hesitating about, do I hold these for a day? Do I hold them for? Do I not? Because I can't take that many day trades. So in the end, I did, take it. So I took 2 trades for this, but just sticking to SPY. Yeah, I knew that we were going to start up in the morning, but I didn't really have any conviction that we were going to get through this, and then maybe through the 8. And through that, I just don't see the volume. Like, does that demonstrate that we're interested in doing so? No, massive sell-off at the end of the day. So I was pretty confident that maybe this was the time to enter some shorts and definitely exit those longs that we got. Very small positions. I didn't add to them or anything like that. But these are the ones I took. So I took Dash. So it was at 11:35. So after that bounce off VWAP, I took that one. But I just like the fact that it just held up really nicely here. Fan of the D1. Really like this. Held that really well. So I was looking to continue that hold on there basically. It didn't really do much, to be honest, through the day. I could have done a bit more with here. I'm not sure if I should have taken this one, to be fair. Bit of weakness here actually. But I'm trying to hold things a bit longer, even though I know the market's not really amazing for it. But I waited till the next day, so I took a little bit of profit. So what's that? 123 to 144, so nearly $1. I could have waited a bit longer, but I think I was just a bit snappy with it, to be honest. But I just want to try and give myself a bit more time with those in particular, actually. But because I could have got a bit more out of that, and just wait to see what the market done. I thought it might go straight down just because of that SMA, but it got there eventually. So it was just a bit of a delay. I think sometimes there is a bit of a delay, but could have got out, potentially for 123, 124. Could have easily hit 125, potentially 126 to get a bit more from that. Palantir, same sort of thing. I like the D1. I like how it smashed back up really effectively. Wasn't convinced it was probably going to hold it, but it was nice to see actually. It showed some strength through here. I think I liked the volume coming in on it, just as a very short term kind of swing. So just a day tops, but as soon as that market opened again, I just shut that one off. Again, potentially could have waited. That decline here didn't even break that, so that's a bullish side. So not that I would have done, but you could have added here, and then ended up just riding that wave up, to just ride it as long as it can possibly go, which for the market perspective, I think we can kind of see around this sort of time. So 12 p.m. definitely time to get up everything. But short wise, there were a couple of good options actually today. I actually ended up opening a position in Etsy actually yesterday because it done literally nothing. And I know consumer cyclicals, because they're a bit more of a luxury item for the consumer to have. I kind of, still below this kind of point here. We're toying around with it. So what's that, level 55? So I just didn't see that it really got off the ground at all. So I kind of saw that as resistance. I think it was just over it or on it at that point. So what's those? Like 53.38. So it was kind of staying at that point. So I saw that as resistance. What we could do? We can just put a line here, close enough, and then just see. It just didn't really, do a great job of getting through that. Did it on that day. So pings up here, barely. Market keeps going, whereas this one does not. So toward the end of the day, I took a position in it. I like how it fell off. I think I was a bit slow to reacting to that, but past that, Don't really like getting some positions when they're not past the previous low of day. But it's through that, so I just thought I'd take a starting position, and yep, another gap up here, rode it, but yeah, volume wasn't particularly impressive, even though there was a candle there, but it's probably people exiting potentially. But again, I'm bearish, so I thought, yeah, there's going to be an opportunity here. I got an alert triggered. I think it may have been the 30-minute LRSI, possibly, or even the 30-minute. Yeah, I don't think it was the hour. No, so I think it was that. And then yeah, I probably could have entered again as an add to the next day. Because if we take SPY back into account, just look at that. We knew it was going to go down, but absolutely just smashed down, didn't it? Doesn't seem to be anyone home on the bull side of things, and yeah, I just wonder, that 200 SMA is looking like a likely target, isn't it? So look at that for a candle, just kind of cracking out. And if I put the pictures back on, but these are some of my charts. But so yeah, through that one. So probably touch that one. So we have to see what tomorrow brings. Not quite sure what's happening post market. But yeah, continuation of that really is not looking very promising. So yeah, still sticking to the short side, maintaining that. Have a couple of potentials for tomorrow. These three were choices. I've set some alerts about what's re-triggering that kind of 2 hour. I might actually change that. And just put actually an LRSI 1 hour in here as well. But yeah, that's it. Actually, I'm going to amend that later, but that's it in terms of my analysis. So I think it's keep going. Yeah, just keep that short momentum going. Look to reload on shorts where possible. That's our thesis at the moment. The Etsy one was really good for that in Qualcomm. Taking those and just look to add to them tomorrow. And yeah, onwards from there.